everybody, today we'll be making A9 Eagle. So this plane was folded first by Foldable Flight, and now I will be teaching you it. So first, for the A9 Eagle plane, first you're gonna use a sheet paper. It can work with whatever sheet, but cannot work with a square sheet of paper. So first, take the top edge to the bottom edge, just like this. And just use your nail to crease it down like this. And now flip it over and then do the same thing on the back side. So now what you want to do is take this edge to this edge, just like this. And then lift it over, and then now take this flap up to this flap right here. And now repeat with the other side. So just take this flap now here. Now take this flap here. And then uncrease, and then now do the same thing, and then you just twist the flap all the way.
Just like a paper plane.
Yeah.
Now get away! I'm making a video.
Hey, don't get it.
Alright. So now keep pushing it down,
Place it.
and then unfold, and then take this edge, take it just all the way here, but leave a gap in the middle.
Gap.
And then repeat to the other side. But then you're not gonna make the gap on the top edge, so it should look like this. Just right here, like this. And then now, just fold this crease up to this crease, so it's gonna go like this.
Crease.
Just like this. And then repeat. So just fold it to the piece you just made. No, yeah, stop, okay? Right, just like that. And then make sure you can have one that's topper and one that's bottomer, because we're gonna do something with that later. And then now flip it over, and then where you see this X right here, and then just put your nail right here, and then you're gonna take this flap, just like this, and then you're just gonna pull it all the way to where the nail ends, and then take it right here, just like this, and then just remember to crease it down. Now unfold, and then it should look like this. Now you have the squeeze, and now just fold this. Now just take this one to the top, take the other one now to the same place where you just did it, and then now crease it down. Then now we're gonna begin to squash forward. So you're just gonna keep pushing it down until you make this shape.
Diamond.
Just like this.
Wow, that's not like a paper plane.
And then just go lift
This
it
one
up.
sounded paper plane.
Just like this. So now you can have this one layer and then just the second layer on top. Flip it over. So now it should look like this. Just
But give it like a paper plane.
and now take this edge down to the bottom edge right here. So it should now look like this. And now take this edge up to this edge right here. So what that's gonna look like is you're gonna, actually no, never mind that. And now just, so flip it over, and then now we're gonna make the wings the easiest part. Just take this fold up to this fold. Just like this.
Okay.
And then remember to make it like as neat as you can. And then easiest part, like this. Next, and then repeat. So you can make this. And then now you have it. The A9 eagle plane. So now it should eventually fly like this. Just like that. Bye bye everybody.